Today, we'll tell you about the revolutionary concept of a modular jet aircraft presented by Aeralis. This innovative idea allows for complete changes to the aircraft, including wings, engines, and cabins, to meet various tasks and needs. Let's take a closer look at how it works. At the heart of this aircraft is the Common Core Fuselage, CCF, with integrated modular avionics that enable the integration of various modular components. Let's start with the cabin. You can choose a two-seat tandem setup for training, a single-seat cabin with additional fuel storage or electronic warfare equipment behind it, or even a fully unmanned system without seats. This provides incredible flexibility in use. Both the internal and external wings have different options. The internal wing is common to all configurations, but the external wing can be adapted for various tasks. A long wing for extended flights suitable for ISR missions, reconnaissance, observation, reconnaissance. Or a stealthy wing for covert operations, or a streamlined wing with low resistance for high speeds. Even the engines can be changed. Interchangeable engine blocks are compatible with various types of single and twin engines, making this aircraft even more versatile. Aeralis Chief Engineer Peter Curtis says, "We don't just sell an aircraft. We offer a complete system. We provide pilot training opportunities, including the aircraft and all necessary components. We aim for maximum commonality in design, systems, and parts, while adding modularity to create unique configurations. We understand that armed forces have diverse needs, and we do everything possible to meet them while saving on maintenance costs.